In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find downloads from Google Photos. Understanding how to locate your downloaded photos is essential for easy access and organization. Whether you're using Android or Windows, I'll guide you through the necessary steps to find your images quickly. Let's start with Android devices. First, you'll want to open the Files app or your device's file manager. This is where you can manage all the files on your device. The Files app may vary slightly depending on your phone model or brand, but it generally allows you to access different folders and files easily. Once you open the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It typically displays various folders, making it easier for you to locate your downloaded images. This is important because knowing where to find your files saves you time and frustration later. Next, navigate to the Downloads folder, Images folder, or DCIM folder, and look for a subfolder named Restored. The location of your downloaded photos may vary by device. In most cases, the Downloads folder is a default location for files downloaded from the internet. The DCIM folder is typically used for camera photos, while the Images folder may contain images saved from various apps. Keep in mind that the specific folder names can differ based on your device's manufacturer. This step is crucial because it directs you to where your downloaded photos are most likely stored. You can also open Google Photos and select Collections, and then tap on this device to view photos stored locally. Google Photos is a powerful tool that not only backs up your images but also organizes them for easy access. By checking the On This Device section, you can quickly see all the photos that are saved locally, including those you downloaded. This feature is helpful because it gives you a comprehensive view of your stored images without searching through various folders. Now let's move on to Windows. First, open File Explorer. This is the built-in file management application on Windows that allows you to navigate through your files and folders. File Explorer is user-friendly and straightforward, making it easy to locate your downloaded files. Once opened, you will see a variety of folders, including your Downloads folder. Next, select Downloads from the left pane. The Downloads folder is usually located in the Quick Access section of File Explorer, which displays your frequently used folders for easy navigation. By clicking on Downloads, you will see all the files you have downloaded from the internet, including photos from Google Photos. This step is important because it's the most direct way to access your downloaded files without unnecessary clicks. If you changed your browser's download location, make sure to check that folder instead. Sometimes users customize their download settings without realizing it. If that's the case for you, the folder may not be named Downloads. Instead, it could be in a different location, depending on where you chose to save your downloaded files. This awareness helps ensure you don't overlook your downloaded images. Lastly, here's a quick tip. If you downloaded a photo from Google Photos and don't see a download option, it's likely because the photo is already stored on your device. This can happen if the image was previously downloaded or synced with your device. Understanding this can help clarify any confusion about missing downloads. By following these steps, you can efficiently find your downloaded photos and keep your files organized. Thank you for watching.